أربع فراق رائعة مستعدة لتقديم أفعل ما لديها على هذا المكان.
Are you ready for all this amazing performance? Let's make some noise and support them.
هيا نبدأ العرض. Okay, before we call the first group performance, let's guess the name group. This group is known very good at scout activities.
They are the first winner of Super Camp Agenda. Can you guess, everybody?
Yeah,
Meutia. Will they bring the same winning spirit to the stage tonight? Please welcome our first performance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Shazza from Meutia, and tonight I will accompany you guys as a narrator to explore a national history named Ageng Serang. She was born in Serang, 40 kilometers from northern of Solo. Her real name is Raden Ageng Retno Edi. Her troops were involved in many wars in Java, Demam, Semarang, Purwodadi, Kudus, and so on. Until one day she leads her own troops in guerrilla warfare, Kulon Progo district. The farmers walked through the fields, greeting Ageng Serang with great respect. She returned their greeting with a warm smile. Joyfully gathering their troops and lifting signs for life. However, that happiness did not last long. Suddenly, the Dutch arrived and attacked all the harvest by force. A week stops, only to be met by her child crying from hunger.
What happened, my love? Very hungry. Ya salam, kaifa haza? This just enough for today.
The mother confuses and helpless because there's no food left to the earlier incident. With sorrowful faces, they inform her that their harvest has been taken all by the Dutch.
Yay, the food supply is running low. Don't give up. We are still alive, so. But we are just ordinary people, Nyai.
Because of that, we must unite. Operation will not stop if you remain silent.
The Dutch threatened to take their land and ordering them to surrender.
Nyai, look, the Dutch troops are getting closer. We are afraid to losing everything. Stop and surrender.
نحن لن نخضع للمستعمرين.
Alright,
سنقاوم. If you pupils if to divide this land, then we will hold the same page. Then we fight, not only with weapon, but with wisdom. استعملوا أوراق للتحف وكانوا عن طابعته. نعم.
After the meeting, they took a decision to fight them by way taking trees and leaves as the camouflage. من الخطأ